What's going on, guys? It's your boy, man, Stoner Breezy, baby, coming to you live. Another one. Another lit video, baby. Hey, man, my voice gone. Boy, I've been too busy. I was hollering at Trump. I was at the Trump rally, and I was hollering, "No king." No king. What's going on in America, man? I've been out the loop, so I ain't really been keeping up. So I don't know. I come back, boy. See Trump having a birthday parade. And they'll spent $90 million on that, and folk protesting around the country talking about no king, and Israel and attack Iran, and Ukraine and Russia still at war. I thought, never mind. God. Let's get to this money, man. I could have swore Trump said, "I'm going to end the war day one. There ain't going to be no war when I'm president." That's what the man said. Do y'all get mad at me instead of being mad at him? That's what I don't understand. Y'all get mad because I bring the stuff back up. But don't be mad at him for lying. You know what I'm saying? Like, anyway, let's get to this money on. Cause Bitcoin ain't at $1 million, you know what I'm saying? ETH still 2,500. I thought they were going to be 9,000, 10,000. But I'm finna get that passive income, though. We finna get that passive income. Cause passive income don't care if you get a D by your name, or aura, none of that. You know what I'm saying? It don't care. Don't care if you're tall, short, black, white, illegal, undocumented. It don't care. Bro, if you got a MetaMask or something, you in there. Like swimwear and some internet connection. Bro, hey man, I love crypto. You just don't understand, bro. Crypto is the way out for anybody. Any and everybody. It ain't Forex trading. It ain't real estate. Ain't none of that. You know what I'm saying? It's crypto. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, shout out to Bitnest. Let's get back to it, baby. Bitnest, a second day in it. It done went up. Oh, let me show you. Remember my video yesterday? Said, hey, go to the blockchain, baby. Blockchain don't lie. It was at 30 million, like it was like 30 million, $86, something, whatever. 30 million, 80,000, whatever. Now it's at 32 million. So more money. Look at that 10 second. This thing it's just smart contract. This ain't no Santa's elves back there, bro. This is a straight smart contract. Just bing, 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 bada bing. Bing, 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 bang, bam. The type of shit that you wouldn't understand. Hey, man, something wrong with me, man. Hey, when you making money, everything is lovely. Paca.finance is paying. We're finna get to that in a minute. We ain't gonna spend too long on Bitnest, but I just wanted to show it to you how, you know what I'm saying? You click that and it'll go to the blockchain. Don't take my word for it. You ain't gotta look at this. Just go to the blockchain, baby. You know what I'm saying? This thing got 1,842,123 people now, and you think you too good. Almost 2 million people in Rome. Like, man, look at the money this thing. Man, listen, let me go on up to this loop. What I hit, Jordan? Let me see. Let me go into the. Oh, I did some more too. I put some more in now. I don't wait for nobody. Hey, man, this is a solo sport. I told you. You ain't gotta wait for me. You know what I'm saying? I don't wait for nobody. What we got? Let's see if we're gonna read my wallet. Oh, I ain't got nothing in there. No, I put it all in. I think I got like $2. I put it all in. Where is that? Where my orders at? Oh, I connect my wallet. It should connect automatically. What are we doing? I know y'all got that old rabbit wallet. I can't do it, bro. I'm telling you. What? Y'all gonna think y'all doing y'all think y'all doing y'all taxes? And yeah, man, I only did $12 in transactions the whole year. The rabbit gonna send you a 1099. No, sir, you did $86,212. All right, bam. Read my wallet. I got $12. Did my thing pay out? Okay, I got a 1 day. Where is it? Okay, here it is. What? Oh, here it is right here. I did a 1 day for $300. Oh, it must have paid out because I had a 1 day for $10. Okay, so that's what that 12. Okay, see, it paid automatically because I only had like $2. I had $2 in there. I'm like, where that $12 come from? But it paid automatic. See, it goes straight to your wallet. I ain't got to come here and hit withdraw. None of that. I guess they pay the fees too. Hey, man, that's what's up. See, I made a bunch of them. So I got like 328s. I got 214s, and I got a 1 day. I got $300 one day, so they come back to me tomorrow. Just check. I just want to test it out. If I buy any, I test it out now. I know it worked. Hey, man, this thing is... when I find stuff like this that work, and you have to stop me. I have to not. That's why I'm glad I got this wallet, because I have to send money to the wallet to put it in. Because if it was just my regular wallet with all my money, hey, man, why I have $500,000? This thing locked up. But it's not, 28 days is nothing. Remember when I did this with Titan X? Oh, man, the 190 days, 180 days, 250 days, man. 28 days is nothing. That's the longest. You can do it for 14. You can do it for 7. I need to do a 7 day. Ain't did no 7 day. Whatever you do, just get on a loop. That's why they call it loop. Because you can loop it with your savings box. I look more into that, and that's pretty cool too. That's awesome too. Because savings box, you get your money out. You can take your money out, put it in. You can withdraw your daily. You ain't got to wait. That's cool too. And you take that and put it in here. You take that and put it back there, and it's like a loop. I just rather loop mine with paca.finance. You know what I'm saying? But this is, and it's so simple. It's just USDT. You put your USDT in, you pick a day, and you click circulation, and bam, you in now. But that's crazy. And they show you what you're going to get. I put in $1,500 for this one. It's going to send $1,860 back to my wallet. I ain't got to do nothing. I'll probably be out of town. Money's going to start hitting my wallet. See, that's why I got the 28 days. I'm doing the 14 and 28. Because after the 28 days, I'm just going to have money just hitting my wallet. Bing, 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 bop, boom, bop. You know I'm finna do it. I'll go. But yeah, man, so that's what's up right now. Anyway, man, shout out to Bitnest, man. They doing it damn thing. And they got the audit. And they been paying. They ain't never failed. I ain't never heard nothing bad about them. You know what I'm saying? So, we're going to see what's happening. Oh, let's get on over to this paca.finance, though. Bam! Paca.finance is back, baby. They're doing the 0.4% daily promo, ends in 7 days. Bam! Ooh, boy, it feels so good to see money in the claimable funds box again. Whew. Life is good now, baby. Don't care nothing about nothing, no tariff, no nothing. We back to making money, and I'm just gonna see when it drop back down. I'm gonna take this and start putting it off in the what you call that thing? Bitnest. But as of right now, they doing for the next 7 days. I'm just gonna what you call that? I was about to say rewind, compound. So they'll compound it back in now. See what I'm saying? I'm sorry. Minimum compound. See, they got a minimum compound of $20. Ain't no minimum over in Bitnest. You can do $1, bro. Like, it's all smart contract. Ain't nobody. It's cold. It's smart. I love that, right? I just do. I don't even know who behind it. I don't know nothing. I just saw it. I saw it on Millions channel, but I don't know. I think when Paca came back, he was like, "Nah, I'm going straight home, baby." Ain't talking about nothing. I can't blame him. Hey, man, you know what I'm saying? But you gotta, hey, man, you gotta have your hands in more than one basket. You know what I mean? I told you. You gotta have money in your account all over the place, baby. You know I like to go around collecting money on. Anybody been following me? No, that's what I like to do. Nah. Some people may be a lot. Some people may not be nothing. But it's enough for me to play around with. That's all I just play around with. I'm straight. You know what I'm saying? My house paid for cash. I got the deed to my house. All 6 of my cars paid for cash. Got the titles to all of them in the safe. You know what I'm saying? Hey, boy, you better get that debt-free life. You know what I'm talking about? Just keep on keeping on. You gonna be all right, though. Come on now. Let's see. Oh, there it is. I'm tripping. Let's see what I got. What it was. There it is. Put out. How you like me now? I'm in the mix. I need to check my too. I need to check my XRP. I need to check my XRP in a minute. See if it's still in there. I want to see the store my XRP. Let's see. Oh, let me see. Okay, yeah, I got my. Okay, it's in there because I got that. See that one? Yeah, see that ad? Oh, I'm already making more money on it. I love it. That's a trip right there. That point, that .43. I don't think nobody making that. That .43. Yes, I only got one. Well, no, I don't got 1, 2, 3. 3 8. They so minor, it ain't that. But yeah, let me check on this. Let me check the marketplace first. We ain't got nothing in that move. But I mean, we had like 70. We got like 70 steaks for sale. They ain't got nothing there. Everybody back on, but they buying them up. One more thing. Let me see. We go to the votes. Go to the votes. Go to the votes. Look at that. Oh man, that was like 3,600. Almost 4,000. Market's down. Oh well. Let me see. There it is. Got 117 days left. 1,300 XRP. You know what I'm saying? See, just money all over the place, baby. I bet none of y'all ain't got 1,300 XRP. No, some of y'all got what? 100,000 XRP. You know what I'm saying? Y'all like XRP like I was about Cardano, but I was on the Cardano rampage at one. Ooh man. But Cardano was down to it was like 20. It stayed like 25 cents forever. You remember that? Cardano was just hovering around 23, 24, 20. I was trying to get as much. Man, I was hell bent on getting that Cardano. That thing shot up. I should have kept it a little longer, but when it shot up it hit 50, because all I want to do was double, really, to be honest. All I be looking for is all that. People be lying, all that. Oh, I'm 100x, 300x, and what did that mean? Like, how? Where? If it ain't a meme coin, bro, you ain't 300x on nothing that high in market cap. You know, I'm getting off subject. Anyway, like the video, comment, subscribe. Hey, man, get some of this passive income life, baby. Shout out to the notification gang, man. Your boy back, baby. Let's get it. Holla back at your boy.